Hey, if you've ever wondered what is a tax deed sale, you're not alone, because I'm wondering the same thing. I'm not really sure myself, but fortunately, we're here with Ted Thomas, who is the Tax Lien Certificate and Tax Auction Authority. He knows about these things. Ted, good to talk to you. And what is a tax deed sale? Can you explain to us?
Okay, so the United States has 3,000 counties. All 3,000 counties have a mandated tax on the property. Now, every property that's owned by an individual has a tax on it. So in half of the states, they sell tax lien certificates. Now, those are very benevolent states. They don't push the people out. They just wait to get their tax. 98% of the people pay the tax. All right, the other half of the states are not so benevolent. California, New York, Texas, they're not benevolent. They're going to say, you have to pay your tax. And if you don't pay your tax on your property, we're going to confiscate. We're going to seize your property. We're going to take it away from you. So think about the repo man. Repo man come pick up a car. Yeah. Well, they can't pick up a house. So they call it a seizure. They call it a confiscation. All right, so you're going to lose the house and you're going to lose it to the county. This has got nothing to do with banks. This is the county. Okay, the county said, well, wait a minute, you didn't pay the tax, so we're going to take your house away. All right, now, what's the county going to do with the house? They don't want that house. They got enough property now. They own the office buildings, they own the roads, they own the parks, they own the schools. They don't want the property. So what the county does is they say, we're going to have a tax defaulted auction. Now you're going to be amazed what's going to happen now. So now they're going to sell these products. They're going to gather them all together, the ones they take in. Now in a large population county, there'd be a lot. In a small population county, there'd just be a few. All right, so now they're going to sell those properties. Now, you're not going to believe this, but this is what happens. The county wants to get rid of the property. They just want to get rid of it. So they discount it 60, 70, 80%. So whatever its value was, they discount it 60, 70, 80%. All right, anybody can go to this auction. You, I, anybody you got a friend, just takes money. All right, so now you're going to buy property for 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents on the dollar. So that's a tax defaulted auction. That will happen in every county in the United States this year. There'll be at least 3,000 counties do that. There's probably 5,000 auctions every single year, and the rest of the world doesn't even know what I'm talking about.
Hey, I'm curious, how often are the auctions? And does it vary state by state? Every week, every month, once a year?
Every county is authorized to do it at least once a year. You'll have states like Georgia. They have 169 counties. There'll be 169 auctions every month. A place like Texas, they have 254 counties. There'll be 254 auctions every single month. You get a place like Florida, they do it once a month. Get a place that got a lot of properties, they'll do it. They can do it whenever they want. The county just makes up their mind, and then they publish on their website that they're going to sell these properties. You can look at the property before they do it. You can go and see it, and you can buy them online.
Wow, it's like buying a house perhaps for cheap, and sounds like a pretty neat opportunity. Ted knows a lot about these types of real estate. You've been in real estate for like a million years or something. Do I have that right? 100,000 years?
Yeah, like a million years. Yeah, actually, I come from a real estate background. My first career was actually as an airline pilot. But when I retired from that, I got into big real estate. But what you have to wait with real estate is you buy it, and you basically have to wait till inflation brings the price up. Yeah. Well, that's a long wait in a lot of years. This is altogether different because you got the real estate, it's got a value, but you're going to try to buy it for 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents on the dollar. Now, if you can buy for 30 cents on the dollar and there's no mortgage, all the room between 30 cents and the value is yours. Yeah. And this has been going on for 200 years, and just 99% of the people don't know what I'm talking about. They say, Ted, that can't be. I didn't make the rules. I'm just bringing you the message. It's a pretty good message. And if you want to hear more about this message and learn more, I think head to Ted's. You've got a website at Ted Thompson or Ted Thomas. I'm sorry, TedThomas.com. Right. I had a good buddy I played baseball with when I was a kid. Who's Ted Thompson? TedThomas.com. And you're going to find some other videos just like this, from really interesting information about some types of ways you can invest in this type of real estate and tax liens. Very interesting stuff. So we're going to talk some more. Head to the website, and we'll see you there.